Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to add money to Venmo using a debit card. So as a quick reality check, you can't directly add money to your Venmo balance using a debit card instantly in all cases. Venmo usually pulls funds when you pay or you can add money via bank. But there is a way to use your debit card depending on your account setup. So we have here method one. Method one, you can add money via bank, recommended setup for debit users. So all you have to do here is you have to do the step by step. One, open Venmo. Two, tap the Me tab, which is the profile icon. Three, tap add or transfer. And then number four, you have to look for the add money option or button, tap add money. And then five, we need to enter the amount right here. Once you're done adding the amount, then select your link bank account. So you have to click, and then if you see the add button right here, you have to tap on the add button. So money usually arrives in 3 to 5 business days. If you did not receive it, then you can contact to their customer service support. Now we have here method two, link your debit card so you can use it instantly. Even if you don't add money, linking your debit cards lets you pay instantly. So what are the steps? Again, you need to open Venmo, and then in the Venmo interface, you have to look for the Me tab or your profile. And then after that, you have to look for the gear icon or look for settings. Now, in the settings section, you have to look for the payment methods. And in the payment methods, you have to look for the add bank or card. After that, you have to scroll down and then tap on select card. In this section, you need to enter the details such as your card details, your name, your last name, and so on. You need to review or double check everything. And then after that, tap on the add button. So, what this does, when you send money, Venmo pulls directly from your debit card. No need to preload your balance. We have here method three, use instant transfer if eligible. So, some accounts allow instant add via debit link bank. You can go to money, choose your bank link via debit, and then select instant if available. And then after that, you need to confirm transfer. So fee may apply usually depends on the percent. Now, important tips, debit cards are mainly for payments, not storing balance. Not all accounts have the odd money feature enabled in Venmo. So make sure your identity is verified in Venmo. So in case you can find this feature, maybe you are not yet verified, or in that case, you can contact the customer service if there are features that are not available in your Venmo. So now, if you have any troubles using any of this method, then I'm going to show you the method 4, 5, and 6, but these are optional and it depends also with the regional feature. So method 4, add money via direct deposit. So using your debit income source, you can route money into Venmo even if you normally use a debit card. How are you going to do that? Open Venmo, tap Me tab, go to settings, and then look for the direct deposit. What you're going to do here is you have to copy your account and routing number, enter those details in your employer or payment source, and then, of course, money goes straight to your Venmo balance when paid. Method 5, receive money from another user. So, this is one of the easiest instant add methods. You just have to ask a friend to send you money on Venmo and then accept the payment. Funds appear instantly in your balance. Now we have here method 6, transfer from cash up to Venmo, debit card workaround. So you can use your debit card indirectly via Cash App. Step by step, you have to add money to your Cash App using your debit card, and then tap transfer that money to your bank. After that, open your Venmo, click add money, and then add funds from your bank. So this creates a bridge using your debit card, Cash App, debit card, and then Venmo. So basically, these are the ways on how to add money to Venmo using debit card, though it's not directly, but there are ways on how to do that. However, if you want to look for last method, cash a check in Venmo. So you can turn physical money into balance. All you have to do is open the Venmo or open your Venmo, tap me tab, look for manage balance, then tap cash a check. Follow instructions to scan check. Fees may apply for instant access. So reality, no direct add money via debit card button for most users. Debit cards are mainly for sending payments instantly. Bank transfers are still the main way to fund balance. So, complete strategy, use a debit card for payments, use bank to add balance, use workarounds such as cash out, friends, checks, and so on. So, these are the possible ways on how to add money to your Venmo using a debit card. Not really the direct way, but there are tons of methods on how to use it in other ways. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.